Hello guys, welcome to another video. So today I'm just going to take this Lancer VRX. It's my turbocharged VRX. I'm just going to take it for a quick test drive. I have, as you can see, I've changed the exhaust to the X4s, you know, the one that comes to the Ralliart. Needs, you know, modifications on the front to fit it, so I did that, and that's what it sounds like. So that's my turbo, just right there. So yep, and that's what it's looked like. So yeah, and that's another Ralliart just right there. Alright, let's take this one for a test drive. I need to wash my cars. Alright, I'm just ready to go for the ride. Let's see what will happen. And I should tell you before I go, I haven't tuned the car, so drive really bad. Alright, let's go. So right, the thing is, this got the stock fuel rail. So one of my mates told me if I put a Ralliart fuel rail in this, so the mist will be fixed. So I don't know about that, because the Ralliart the fuel rail has a return light. Fuel return line, which other ones doesn't. So the VRX fuel rail doesn't have a return line. So what I was thinking is, I've got a fuel rail of a Ralliart, so I was thinking maybe I'll just chuck the intake manifold as well from the Ralliart, so then it will be easier to put the fuel rail, because otherwise I have to do a bit of cutting and I don't want to do that. So yeah, let me show you the fuel rail. So yeah, I'll do a quick scan on that. So that's the boost gauge, and I couldn't show you, and the boost gauge doesn't go the negative pressure, which I have hooked up in a wrong way, so I have to fix that. So I've got the turbo timer there, so whenever I stop the car, it will just take whatever, that 20 seconds or whatever, and we'll just turn off the car. So this is the fuel rail I was talking about. If you can see, that's the return line there. So I'll just chuck this one in with the intake manifold. Let's see how it goes.